Right now, we are in the process of looking at colorectal cancer from more of a tumorigenesis perspective and understanding what environmental factors kind of precipitate how different rates of cancer might develop in different populations. This is heavily influenced by diet, where we see that the different things in which people eat, which different communities eat, differentially affect how they're going to develop certain risks for cancer and how aggressive those cancers are over time. So what we're mainly focused right now are on African American populations within the US and comparing them to the Caucasian populations to understand how those cancers develop differently and how those are affected by different things like lipid intake and bile acids. I'm hoping to expand my research back to this initial question of how immigrant populations and how people who live in completely different environments, when they change their environment and move somewhere else, what is putting them at a higher risk for cancer? What is putting them at a lower risk for cancer? How does genetics play a factor into that? And especially combining the AI side and asking very personalized questions about, for every single individual, what is their relative risk depending on where they live and what their genetic backgrounds are? And how do they mitigate that risk? How do we reduce the disparities seen with these populations in order to reduce the rates and deaths of cancer as much as possible?